What's up, guys? Look at this. Let me tell you guys something.
Come on, Arty, let's go, man. I'm hungry. The Titanic pose, man.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is the Mogul. My name is Art. This is my gray shark, and this is my friend.
How's it going, AB?
Today, you guys are gonna go on a ride with me. We're gonna take the Porsche through the canyons. We're gonna see what it can do. We're gonna go to Malibu, grab some to eat, and enjoy the day out there. Let's hit the road. Yo, I'm trying to grab me a Snickers bar or something. Hungry. Bam. Damn. Grab me a Snickers.
Man, don't be cheap, get the bigger one.
Hmm?
Let's get the bigger one.
I'm on a diet.
You're on a diet? Let's go.
I got myself a Snickers bar.
Diet 101.
My car eats. We are out. Let me tell you guys something. Snickers, chocolate is everything. This is the best in the world. You hear me? So listen, we're gonna grab a bite to eat. So we are in Malibu right now, and if you're not from California, that's why I'm telling you we're in Malibu. We're gonna grab a burger or something on the beach at Paradise Cove, and we're gonna make this from a car vlog to a food vlog.
Guys, one place I love to be is the ocean. Any day of the time.
Yo, we out here in Malibu. Just finished recording a video that you guys probably don't want to see. But look at this view right here.
What up, Arty?
What's going on? I'm hungry, bro. I'm hungry, man. Trying to grab a bite or something. That Snickers bar didn't do it.
The Titanic pose, man.
I don't know how I never watched this.
You just did it with your arms. There you go. There you go.
It's just too romantic.
Go a little back, a little more back.
What?
Go backwards a little bit. Okay, just jump up and just lean back.
No, I'm not doing that.
Come on, Arty, let's go, man. I'm hungry.
Bro, I'm hungry. Thanks for watching today's video. Like, share, and subscribe.